Ever seen a creature that can survive boiling water, the vacuum of space, and being completely dried out for years? Meet the tardigrade, also known as the water bear or moss piglet. These microscopic marvels live all over the planet, from mountaintops to the deep sea. And when things get tough, they enter a state called cryptobiosis. They essentially pause their metabolism until conditions improve. Talk about resilience. So next time you're feeling stressed, remember the tiny but mighty tardigrade, a true champion of survival. Subscribe for more weird science.